believe Arthas could have done this.
Jaina! Jaina Proudmoore!
Lord Uther?
Ah, Jaina. I thought I might find you here. Where has he gone, girl? Where has Arthas taken the fleet?
He came to me before he left. I pleaded with him not to go. I told him it sounded like a trap.
Where?
Northrend. He's gone to Northrend to hunt Morganis.
Damn that boy. I've got to inform King Tyrannus. Don't be too hard on yourself, girl. You had nothing to do with this slaughter.
The dead in this land might lie still for the time being, but don't be fooled. Your young prince will find only death in the cold north.
You! Arthas is only doing what he believes is right.
Commendable as that may be, his passions will be his undoing. It falls to you now, young sorceress. You must lead your people west to the ancient lands of Kalimdor. Only there can you combat the Shadow and save this world from the flame.
This is a light-forsaken land, isn't it? You can barely even see the sun. This howling wind cuts to the bone, and you're not even shaking. My lord, are you all right?
Captain, are all my forces accounted for?
Nearly. There are only a few ships that...
Very well. Our first priority is to set up a base camp with proper defenses. There's no telling what's waiting for us out there in the shadows.
Is there danger?
You are past redemption.
A sound plan. Certainly. Of course.
Feel my...
Yes, my friend.
Justice shall be done. The light and strength. Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan.
Betrayer of the light.
For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. I'm here to help. Justice shall be done.
Is someone injured? Is there danger?
Certainly. A sound plan. For my father, the king. I stand for the light.
You are past redemption.
For honor. A sound plan. Certainly.
Betrayer of the
Ice
light.
trolls. The light is my strength. A sound plan.
Is my aid required?
Justice shall be done.
Yes, my liege.
I stand for the light.
Justice is called.
Foul name.
Feel my wrath. You are past redemption. Feel my wrath. You are past redemption.
For honor.
Yes, my friend.
The light is my strength. Foul name.
Feel my wrath.
Of course. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. I stand for the light.
How may I serve?
I'm here to help. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.
A sound plan. Of course. For my father, the king. Certainly. Foul knave. For honor. Of course.
Is someone in danger? Is my aid required?
Be gone, spawn of darkness.
What ails you?
I'm here to help.
Is there danger?
Justice is coming. I'm here to help. Feel my wrath. Certainly. For honor. Of course.
Our
A
forces
sound
are
plan.
under attack.
For honor. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. Certainly. For honor. You are past redemption.
I am ready.
Justice shall be done. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan. Ah, a gold mine. We'll set up our base there. We're under attack. Take cover.
Bloody hell. You're not undead. You're all alive.
Muradin? Muradin Bronzebeard, is that you?
Damn, boy. I never imagined that you'd be the one to come to our rescue.
Rescue? Muradin, I didn't even know you were here.
Oh, just the same, lad. I could use your help. My mates and I were attacked and we got separated. I'd appreciate any backup you could give me.
Of course I'll help Muradin. Let's move.
What? Yes, my lord. Oh, work? What is it? Righto. What is your wish?
I'm here to help.
I can't
Of
ready
course.
to work.
Oh,
honor.
it's you.
Oh,
Ready
work?
for action.
All right.
Is there danger?
What do you
I'm here
need?
to help. Certainly.
Say the word.
For honor.
Ready to
What's the
work.
flight plan? Build more bombs.
Job's
Build more
done.
bombs.
What is it? Off I go then.
Justice shall be done. Certainly. A sound
You have
plan.
a target?
I am ready.
What do you need?
The light is my strength. For honor.
You're kind
Ready
of
to
slow for a
work.
human,
Is there
aren't
danger?
you? For cardboard on!
Justice shall be done.
What's happening? It's hammer time! Let's do this!
The light is my strength.
Ready to work.
Justice is come.
Job's done. What? Job's done. All right. Righto. Yes, my lord.
I'm here to help.
Ready to work.
I'm ready and waiting.
Is someone
What is your wish?
Is there danger?
You're kind of slow for a human, aren't you? It's hammer time!
I stand. Let's move, men. Those dwarves need help.
Yes, my lord. What? All right. Yes, my lord.
Show us a target.
What is it? All right. Off I go then.
Okay to go!
Ready to work.
What's happening? Let's do this.
Is there danger?
Let's get it
I
on.
am ready.
I'm here to help.
Job's done.
Justice shall be done.
Aye, sir.
Ready to
I
work.
stand for the light. Of course. The light is my strength. Is there danger?
What do you need?
Justice shall be done. For my father, the king. Foul knave.
Ready to work. How you doing?
I stand for the light.
Aye,
Okay. Is there danger? Certainly. I stand for the light. The light. Of course.
You are past redemption.
Feel my wrath.
Where do you want it?
Hey, you! Cat!
I stand for the light.
What do you need?
Show us a target.
Aye,
Is there
sir.
danger?
Okay to go.
Where to?
The light.
are under attack.
Where do you want us?
I'm here to help.
Let's get moving. What's happening? That's more like
Yes,
it.
me lord. All right.
The light is my strength.
Hello!
I stand for the light.
Betrayer of the light.
Let's get moving. I'm ready and good.
How may I serve?
Our forces are under attack. More lumber is required.
I am ready.
The light is my strength.
What's happening?
What ails you? Research complete. Let's get to fighting.
You have a target? You're kinda slow for a human, aren't you?
are under attack.
Aye, sir.
Hello! This battle is over.
What's the flight plan?
What is it? Yes, me lord.
More lumber is
All
required.
right. Off I go then.
Let's get
Ready
ready
for
for action.
I'm ready and waiting.
Is there
Let's
danger?
get it on.
I stand for the light.
Where to?
Build more
What's
walls.
happening? Let's do this. That's more like it.
Is there danger?
I am honored.
Research
For
complete.
Loderon.
Ready for action.
What's the flight plan? You have a target?
Come on, Shelty.
I'm ready and waiting.
The light is my
Take
strength.
this, you bastard!
Say the word. Our forces are under attack.
I'm here to help.
How may I serve?
Justice shall be done.
Free justice. Yes, my liege. Show us a target. You need us. Aye, my lord. Let's get to fighting.
Let's do this.
The light is my
Our
strength.
town is under siege.
Forward.
Our forces are under
All
attack.
What is it? Yes, me lord.
Where to?
Hello!
Is there danger? I'm here to help.
Let's get moving. That's more like it.
Our forces are under attack.
The light is my strength.
Lock the body!
Forward. Okay to go. Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord.
Where to?
Show us a target. More lumber is required.
What do you need? What do you
Time
need?
to go.
Where do you want
Get
us?
ours. Come on, Shelty.
What's happening?
I'm here to help.
Yes, my liege.
I am ready.
A sound
Job
plan.
Let's get
done.
moving.
I stand for the
Okay
light.
to go.
I await your command. More lumber is required. Your command.
What? Righto.
Command me,
The light is my strength.
Your Honor.
I stand for the light. For honor.
Show us a target.
I'm here to help.
Command me.
Certainly.
Hello.
Justice shall be done. For honor.
Let's get to fighting!
I stand for the
Let's
light.
do this. It's hammer time.
Show us a target! Research complete. More lumber is required.
Justice shall be done. That has to be where Mal'Ganis is hiding. I want that base leveled.
What's the flight
What is your
plan?
wish? Hello!
Is my aid
Research
required?
complete.
Right
Let's
away.
get to fighting!
I stand for the light. Certainly.
Where do you want us?
Let's get to fighting!
The light is my strength.
Our forces
A sound.
are under attack!
Where to?
It's you! Hello!
You have a target? Take that, you son. Fire!
Okay to go!
Kinda slow for a
I
human,
stand for the light.
Let's get it on. It's hammer time. Where do you want us?
Hello! We'll do it in a jiffy.
I'm your take that, you son. Yeah! Want us?
You made the right thinking. Go on! Feel my show us a target. Hello! We'll do it in a jiffy. Research. Move your arms.
You have a target? I've got the beast in my sights. That's more like it.
I stand for the light. Certainly.
Take that, you son.
I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting. Go on! Hello!
I've got the beast in my sights.
Let's get to fighting. On our way!
Say the word. On my way. Where do you
We'll do it in a jiffy. You made the right choice.
I'm here to help.
Go on! Show us a target, Ars. Let's get to fighting. Here's my lead.
I'm here to help.
You are past attention.
What do you need?
Aye? Hello! Forces are under attack.
I take that, you son. Shoot to kill. I'll take care of it.
Let's get to fighting.
Is there danger? Of course.
Where do you want us?
I stand for the light.
Feel my wrath.
Let's get to fighting.
What do you need?
The light.
Show us a target. Eat mortar.
I'm here to help.
I'm ready and
How may I serve in strength?
Let's get to fighting. You made the right choice. Just on.
All right, Muradin. What were you doing up here anyway?
Well, lad, there's an ancient waygate that lies somewhere in this glacial wasteland. Supposedly, it transports you to a hidden vault where a rune blade named Frostmourne is held. We came here to recover Frostmourne, but the closer we came to finding the waygate, the more undead we encountered.
Prince Arthas, we haven't found any trace of Mal'Ganis.
No matter. He can't hide from me forever. Captain, I want you to establish this site as our primary base.
Yes, my lord.